Alright, so it's been a while. Haven't started this one in ages. No exhaust on it. Fuel pump doesn't seem to be working. It's got spark. Poured some two-stroke in it. Let's see if we can set this throttle. Set the choke, I mean. Okay. Yeah, close the window. No exhaust. Fantastic. I need to fit a steering rack to this one. And then check it over. I have no idea what it's like underneath. I think it's pretty rough, much like the top of it. But as you can see, it's very full of shit. This dash is destined to go in another car because the dash is in really good nick. Which you can't even see. Now I'm thinking we just clean this up. As in, clean the windows, clean the mirrors, make sure it's got tyres, clean the headlight, and see if we can get rego on it. That'd be funny, just as it is. Yeah, this one's very rough. I've got bolts holding this in. A completely mismatched set of rims, which look all horrible. But man, that should go, that should go, that won't, that won't. They're probably not even legal. Picked up a canopy for this one the other day. This one actually starts and drives. It needs to have a fair bit done, obviously. Yeah, front end's odd, but yeah, engine bay's been cleaned up. Yeah, if you turn the key, this one starts. I'm thinking hit all this blue with some just regular white paint. I'm thinking 4 litres of Raptor liner, and we'll just wrap the liner of this whole car. How cool is that tint? The dash is in good nick in this one too. Obviously all the consoles out, all that sort of stuff. And all that shifter's got to be adjusted because of the lift kit. It doesn't have a functioning door lock. Actually looks really good in here. Once again, I think just white Raptor liner. I mean, it's already been painted with hammer tone blue at some stage. So I think if we just scrub some of that off a little bit, lightly scrub it and hammer tone. Oh, sorry, hammer tone, bloody Raptor liner. And chuck this thing back together. Get that rod back up in there. Let's bust it off the. And there's the 87, still sitting there with no interior in it, no roof lining. It's all up the back there. Brumby guy went to a lot of effort to straighten this thing. It's mostly straight enough for Raptor liner. So if we get back to this one, well, that's a massive dent through here, here, and here. I'll try and pop some of those out from the inside. Same with here, up here. Yeah, just an idea. We'll see how we go.